video عادي.
Why?
Listen man, you surprised me. You speak English.
Yes, of course. I can speak English. What about you?
Yo, you good man. Trust me.
That's right.
They should give you more money.
My San'anian accent, that's your eyes.
I know, but let me tell you, your accent is excellent. You speak good English.
Thanks a lot.
Where you learn at?
I graduated from Mexican Institute in 2015.
ما شاء الله يا جماعة.
It was before the war.
You know, you speak better than a lot of people I know. They work in America. They cannot speak like you.
Don't embarrass me.
You speak good. I'm serious, yo.
Thanks a lot.
Yo, they should give you double salary.
About me, we don't care about money.
أنا بكلم المرور والقائد حقهم. هذا المرور يجب عليكم أن تعطوه معاشين وليس معاش واحد. يتكلم اللغة الإنجليزية أحسن مننا المغتربين. فهذا الهامة يجب علينا احترامها وترقيتها إلى الأفضل.
First of all, I want to give you the message. We don't care about money. We don't care about. We are caring about the street.
The street and the people.
The street. We want to be like outside.
Yo,
What
this is
the
good.
difference?
This is good.
What is the difference between us and them? We are the best.
We better.
We will be the.
We
will
better
be
than
the best.
them.
We are better
We better than them.
because we know the God.
That's it.
More
We
than
know
anyone.
Allah way.
Yeah.
We know God way.
Yeah. We
They don't know
Allah
God
more
way.
than anyone.
Yo, thank you man. You got
You're welcome.
You send a good message.
Thanks a lot.
يعني he said he don't care about money. Long as his country is coming better, and long as Yemen is going forward and be better than other countries, money is not everything. Yemen is gonna be always number one. Inshallah.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not in New York. We are not in Los Angeles. We are here in Sana'a. When the people see the soldiers, the can speak English, what is? We are better than everybody.
That's good.
Just we want from the nation, the people.
God bless Yemen. ولا كده.
Yes.
God bless Yemen.
God bless Yemen.
God
Allah bless Yemen.
Allah bless Yemen. تحياتي.